Hi, in our previous video on fractions, I have covered the different types of fractions, equivalent fractions, and what are like and unlike fractions. In this video, we will see how do we add and subtract two or more fractions. So let's learn it through an example. Suppose we have three fractions, say 5 over 7, we have to add it to 3 over 21, and from this we have to subtract 8 over 42. Okay, now we have to remember one thing, that whenever we add or subtract fractions, they have to be like fractions. If they are like, then only we can go ahead and perform the addition and subtraction. So in this particular case, we see that all the three have different denominators. One has 7, 21 and 42. So the first thing is to make the fractions like. Okay, to make the fractions like, we need a common denominator, which is obtained by taking the LCM of the three different denominators. So it's 7 ones are, 7 threes are, 7 six are, 3 ones are, and then 2. So the LCM which we get is 7 into 3 into 2, which gives us a 42. So our aim is to make each fraction's denominator as 42. So we multiply this fraction by 6, we get a 30 over 42. 3 over 21 has to be multiplied by 2 so that the denominator becomes 42. So we get 6 over 42, and a third fraction 8 over 42 is already having 42 as the common denominator. Now let us see how do we perform the addition and subtraction. So now 5 by 7 can be written as 30 over 42. The next fraction is 3 by 21, which can be written as 6 over 42. And then we have to subtract the third fraction, which is negative 8 over 42. When we have to add and subtract, we keep the common denominator as it is. This is the common denominator, and we perform the operation on the numerators of the like fraction. So we do 30 plus 6 minus 8. So this becomes 36 minus 8 over 42, which gives you 28 over 42. Please remember, whenever we are giving the answers in fraction, try to reduce the fraction in its lowest form. Reducing a fraction in its lowest form means we have to cancel out all the common factors in the numerator and the denominator. So we see here that 7 is a common factor. So 7 fours are 28 and 7 six are. Again, between 4 and 6, 2 is a common factor. So 2 divides 4 2 times, and 2 times 3 gives us a 6. So our answer is 2 over 3. Please remember, a common mistake that is made by the students are, if they have to do 30 over 42 plus 6 over 42, I have seen students doing this mistake. They write the answer as 30 plus 6 36 and 42 plus 42 84. Please remember that this is the wrong way to add two fractions. This is the wrong way to add two fractions. When you add or subtract two fractions, you keep the denominator as the common denominator of all the fractions on which you are performing the operation. So I hope addition and subtraction of fractions is clear to everyone. In our next video, we will be seeing how do we multiply and divide two fractions. So if you have any doubts regarding addition and subtraction of fractions, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel, Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.